Hello, dear participants of conference, dear teachers and fellow students. My name is Respect. I'm a master student at Northeast First University and School of Management, majoring in international trade. This last winter vacation, we all left our school to our respective countries without any idea of this sudden outbreak of this horrible disease, and could happen and influence our lives in such an unexpected way. And at the beginning of the pandemic outbreak, I was in my country. This was a very crucial and chaotic time when everybody was in panic and fear, and especially right afterwards, the World Health Organization announced that it was a global pandemic, and all international flights shut down and borders closed during this time, and many people were stranded in overseas, and many governments took measurements to bring their citizens to their home countries, and our country wasn't an exception. The Wuhan was an exemplary case that showed all over the world how Chinese government took timely measurements and took everything under control and built hospitals for protecting people in unbelievable short time. Another problem whole world was facing was the shortage of medical production ware and medical staff. We couldn't have overcome this difficult time without the contribution of volunteer and medical workers all over the world. And one example being these crucial volunteer people from all parts of China who went to Wuhan to help China overcome this hard time. And during this time, for students who study in China, it became clear that we will not be going back to China anytime soon. And for me, during this difficult time, watching all these hardships on news and media was not enough and easy thing. And I really thought about what I can do to help as someone who has a medical background, as a public health specialist, and I understand the importance of prevention of COVID-19 for every country. So I decided to contribute to prevention of COVID-19 to protect our people. So do you guys find it funny and wonder how an economic measure students volunteer in pandemic prevention? And the border was one of the most crucial point in the prevention work. So therefore, I got in contact with a specialized professional government agency of Mongolia, and I expressed my willingness to volunteer at the border, and they happily accepted my volunteer offer and sent me to the Russian and Mongolian border point where 80% of all Mongolian government cases of COVID-19 were imported from overseas and passed through, which was the most case during my volunteer time. Uh, at this border, my daily work included prevention methods such as interviewing and filling out questionnaires of all people who were entering through this border point, and isolating, sending reports and daily reports to the prevention center in the capital city. And we as humanity are very close to overcoming this challenge, I think. And for example, for China and Mongolia, Mongolian president visited China during these hard times and donated 30,000 sheep, and Chinese government also helped Mongolia. And also, as a student who is majoring in international trade, and a few days ago, I saw on economic news report that Chinese export increased by 10% and import over 12% compared to the previous year, and overall economic growth of 5.8. It's, I think, a great accomplishment compared to many other countries on the year. Thank you for everybody your attention, and I truly believe the day we met in person is very soon. Thank you.